In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. But anyway, we want to just give you a quick idea and tips what we're going to do for Christmas. All right. Anyway, I must say that we're gonna do a Jamaican black cake for Christmas. Also, we're gonna show you how you to marinate your turkey, marinate up some chicken, beef, lamb, pork, you name it. Basically, if you want to request something for Christmas, please write it down below. That means I can start to work at certain things from now, because I have a few friends of mine who request certain things already for Christmas, which we're going to be starting working on these things, guys. So basically, I want you to start prepare and plan. You know, Christmas dinner is a special dinner for most people in this world. You know what I mean? They just come together, the family, and have a wonderful idea. This Christmas, let's work together. We will do different kind of ideas, different kind of recipe, which can help you to feel, but we want to keep that same tradition of the old good Jamaican, you know what I mean? You know, Jamaican always do them black cake, the roast turkey, the chicken, as roast beef, you name it. So we will do all different kind of bits and pieces to show you what you can do for this Christmas. So guys, this is just some tips and ideas, but the main thing I want you to do, if you're gonna be watching this video, please write what you want me to make for you for this Christmas, that I can know where I am at the moment. I got a few requests already. I know that the person asked for black cake. I got a recipe on the YouTube channel, but you know what I mean, as we goes along, we can work things out and tell them that there's recipe. You know, one person asked for roast beef, and also a lot more stuff. So if you want me to make something totally different, please write it below and request it. We got a lot more tips and ideas which is going to be coming up very soon. And thank you for tuning in to the show, and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Christmas tips from Chef Ricardo. Request where you